Well, in the latest that we are tracking for you from the national capital, the Aam Aadmi Party has taken to street politics again. After speeches and advertisements, this time it's protests on the streets, which seems to be their trademark. Take a look.
The war of words between the Delhi police and the Kejriwal government over the murder of a 19-year-old girl spilling onto the streets.
The police personnel are constantly asking the Aam Aadmi Party workers to in fact tell these people to head towards the other side of the barricade. But what you see are these very angry Aam Aadmi Party workers that who are not willing to really listen. So definitely with these posters, what they're asking is the resignation of the SHO, the resignation of the ACP.
This, after yesterday's meeting between Arvind Kejriwal and the Delhi Police Commissioner ended in a stalemate, giving the Aam Aadmi government a chance to target the Delhi Police.
इस तरीके का वाकया दिल्ली के अंदर हुआ है, बजाय उसके अपराधियों को फौरन गिरफ्तार किया जाए, जो लोग हैं उनको चिन्हित किया जाए, पूरे मामले में संजीदगी दिखाई जाए, पूरे मामले को रफा दफा करने की कोशिश हो रही है। और ये तब हो रहा है जब दिल्ली के अंदर खुद प्रधानमंत्री महोदय का कार्यालय है, वो खुद वहां मौजूद है, तब ये हादसा हो रहा है।
Unfazed by the AAP's pressure tactics, the Delhi Police Commissioner putting up a diplomatic front.
Whatever has been done by police has been done on merit, and what shall be done by police shall be done on merit. मेरे को अगर कोई क्रिटिसाइज करता है तो मुझे उससे कोई समस्या नहीं है, तो मैं तो उसको शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा जो भी मुझे क्रिटिसाइज करेगा, क्योंकि उससे मेरा काम इम्प्रूव होगा।
The Kejriwal government perhaps going overboard in their efforts to take up the cause for women's safety by dragging in the Prime Minister too.
हमारी डिमांड बहुत सिंपल है, that the Prime Minister must devote some time to improve the law and order situation of the national capital of Delhi, national capital territory of Delhi, and if he is unable to do so, then he must relinquish the jurisdiction, must relinquish the authority over Delhi police and have it transferred to the democratically elected government of the NCT of Delhi.
But the BJP accusing the Kejriwal government of politicizing the murder of the 19-year-old to make a point against the Delhi police.
मेरा कहना है कि उनको महिला सत्र बुलाने से पहले, विशेष सत्र बुलाएं उससे पहले, उनके विधायकों के ऊपर और पूर्व मंत्रियों के ऊपर महिलाओं के उत्पीड़न के जो आरोप लगे हुए हैं, डीसीडब्ल्यू के अंदर उनके केसेस पड़े हुए हैं, उनके बारे में केजरीवाल साहब क्या कहना चाहते हैं? क्या उनको न्याय मिलेगा?
Most importantly, the cabinet of Delhi government has decided to call one-day special session of assembly, and the issue will be women's security. A commission of inquiry led by a retired judge is also likely to be initiated. The Delhi government is all set to charge against the centre, showing that it does not care about law and order situation.
तो इन 5 चीजों को करने के लिए इंक्वायरी कमीशन बिठाने की सरकार का प्रस्ताव है, जिसको विधानसभा के सामने रखेंगे। 28 तारीख को विधानसभा का विशेष सत्र बुलाया जाएगा।
Another flashpoint in the fight between Kejriwal government and the centre. This time, the Delhi police caught in the crossfire. Bureau Report, Times Now.